We've got 4 mobile phones. We've got a BlackBerry Curve 9300. We've got a Sony Ericsson J132. This is from 2008. We have got a Samsung E250, also from 2008. And the creme de la creme, the iconic Nokia 3310. This came out in September 2000, 19 years ago nearly. 19 years. So these Nokia 3310s can survive a nuclear blast. So I've got good hopes that this will be the only one out of these 4 that survives in a washing machine. Today we are going for a short wash at 30 degrees with a 600 spin.
All you humans gossip. And all I hear is gossip. Yeah, let's go, she's talking gossip.
So they've had their wash. Some of them had a dance, as you saw. There was some signs of life, so those with a bit more of a keen eye in the video would have seen that. This one, the Sony Ericsson, kind of stayed on for the longest at the start. The lights on this were on at some point. This one survived pretty much, I'd say most of the wash. It was kept switching on and off. And there were a few little points where the BlackBerry came on as well. So I've left these for a little while just to give them a bit of time to dry out. as you would if you'd washed your mobile phone by accident. And then let's get them back together and see which survived. This brings back some memories. It's like riding a bike. Let's try the BlackBerry first. We've got a light there. No, I think that one's dead. Sony Ericsson. Even if it is on, I can't see the screen. No, that one's dead. The Samsung. Now, this did stay on, like I said, for quite a while. Come on, don't let me down, Samsung. No, that's dead. Drum roll. No way. We've broken the Nokia as well. Come on, Nokia. You can do it. Come on. Well, I think it's killed it. Nuclear blast, yes. Washing machine, no. So there you go. 4 mobile phones, 1 washing machine. No one survived, apart from the washing machine. Hang on, wait a minute. Wait. Oh, we've got a winner. The T-Mobile, the Samsung has just switched on. It's working. Yeah, I think it's switched on, but I'm not sure we're going to work very well. We'll still go with no winners.